Hi, I'm Peter from HDI. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a way how you can have something displayed on your HDI Edge 2.0 interactive screen, as well as something separate on your PC. Often I get asked, how can I be doing some work on here while keeping some information displayed up there? And Windows gives you a really simple solution for that. All you need to do is hit your Windows key and P, and that will bring up your projection options. The option you want to select here is Extend. What it will do is it will create an extended desktop on your HDI interactive screen that you can then move anything you want across here, move it across onto your interactive screen there, and leave something else you want to work on your desktop. And you can come up to the full screen, extend that, interact with that as you need to, and have your students working on that while you can quietly go and work on some information you might need to do here. Hope you found that hint helpful. For more like that, come see us at hdinteractive.com.au.